When entering Turkey by car, it's important to remember that you may be stopped and inspected. What exactly should you always have in the car in Turkey? A first aid kit, a fire extinguisher, what else? Oh yes, documents. What documents does the driver need here and how to keep them valid? Watch the video till the end and then check out the long and detailed video guide about cars in Turkey for foreigners. It covers everything the driver needs. Subscribe to the channel and give a like to the Tolerance Real Estate Agency, which has been gathering all this wisdom for 20 years, in addition to its main work, and sharing it with you. When you enter Turkey by car, at the border you will need to show the following documents: passport, driver's license, internal one if your country has signed the Vienna Convention, vehicle registration certificate, and green card insurance policy. You can obtain the green card insurance in your home country, even online. Insurance can be purchased at the border, however it's more expensive, and they only accept cash and lira. Do tourists really even have that? If not, you will have to go to a border exchange office, and the exchange rates there, you can imagine. The minimum policy duration is 3 months, price starting at around $80. The price depends on the duration, your driver experience and the car's horsepower. The policy duration should not be less than your stay in Turkey. Driving without insurance can result with a fine of up to 1,000 euros. Don't forget to buy a new policy on time. Besides documents, a standard first aid kit, a fire extinguisher, here they come, and 2 emergency stop signs must be in the car. Also an emergency vest. You can drive with foreign license in Turkey for 6 months. After that, you need to exchange your foreign driver's license for a Turkish one or leave Turkey and re-enter, just not by car. If you plan to make such a visa run or simply leave the country without your car, make sure to inform customs where the car will be parked in your absence. No one is allowed to drive the car during this time. Absolutely no one. You can leave the car in any parking lot or at any house. The key is to give the address to customs, otherwise face a hefty fine. If you decide to change your driver's license in Turkey, you'll need to go to the transfer registration office, show your driver's license and residence permit card, write an application and pay a government fee. You'll have to wait until the government agency in your homeland responds to the Turkish request. After that, you'll be invited back to the office, they'll take your old card and send it to your country, and you'll be issued a new Turkish one. Alternatively, you can get a driver's license in Turkey from scratch. This means enrolling in a driving school and passing exams. It's the most challenging path, but in Antalya, for instance, you can even study and take the driving test in English. You can watch a video on how to get a driver's license in Turkey through this link. Just don't forget to carry your driver's license with you, because in the sun and by the sea, such things tend to be forgotten. In short, what should be in a car in Turkey? Documents, a first aid kit, a fire extinguisher and emergency stop signs. And as for what drinks, snacks, swimsuits and towels to constantly carry in the car, decide for yourself. And hats. I hope in this video you found the answers that will help save time, nerves and money when you plan to travel to Turkey by car. Thanks once again to Tolerance Agency, whose experts with their 20 years of experience in the real estate market know many interesting things about various aspects of life in Turkey and offer clients not just a service, but a true friendship. Seriously. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to not miss out on new videos. We cover and discuss things that others may not know or talk about.